In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use repeating templates. This Notion feature is especially useful when you have recurring tasks or repeating payments like bills and subscriptions, and it saves you time by creating pages for these items on a regular basis, without you having to manually input data. You just set it up once and the automation works in the background. In this case, I'll take the chore database from our Life OS template as an example. Let's say we have chores we need to perform on a regular basis. We can create repeating templates for each one. And here's how. Move the cursor on the top right corner of the database and click on the down arrow. This is the template menu. Click on New Template and give it a name. For this example, let's call it Wash Car. You can assign a specific icon if you want as well. I'll select Chore as a type and leave everything else as is. Click out of the page and go back to the template menu, where you will see the new template we've just created. Click on the three dots here and select Repeat. Choose the repeating cycle you prefer. For this example, I'll select Month. An option menu appears, and here we can specify a few things. The cadence in this case is every 1 month, and you can even select the exact day of the month and the exact time of the day you want the task to show up on your calendar. Now, for this example, I leave the options as they are. You can also decide when the automation will start and when it will end, if it's something that has a deadline, for example. Once you're satisfied with the options, click on Save. Now you see a blue icon next to your template, and the automation is set up. You will be able to edit the options, stop the automation, or delete it completely. Repeat the operation for as many recurring tasks as you need. As I said, this feature adapts very well with chores, daily habits, recurring payments, and so many other scenarios. So I hope this mini tutorial was helpful and you will make use of this feature in Notion. Thank you so much for watching and happy planning!